Having the network or SIM card error on your Xiaomi phone when using call borrowing is frustrating when calls don't go through, but don't worry, fixing it is simple. The problem could be with your network settings, SIM card, or call borrowing setup, and we'll help you solve it. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Reset SIM card settings. Open Settings, then tap on Mobile Networks. Select your SIM card, but here you will need to change a few settings. Select access point names, tap Reset. After that, select your SIM carrier from here. Once the SIM is selected, go back and tap on Preferred Network Type. Select Prefer LTE if you have set this to something else. If you have already set this to LTE, select Prefer 3G. Tap on Select Carrier and disable Automatic Select Network from here. Once it's disabled, wait for 5 seconds and then enable it. After that, go back once again and disable and re-enable Use VoLTE. Once that is done, give your phone a restart, but check your issue again. Solution 2. Reset network settings on Xiaomi. Go to Settings, tap on More Connectivity Options, and tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will not erase your data, but it will reset all your network connections. So after this, hopefully your problem will get fixed. But in the case the problem is still persisting, there could be a hardware issue. To check, go to your settings, then tap About Phone, scroll down a bit and select Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again and tap on Kernel Version a few times. Usually 5 to 6 times is enough. After that, you will enter the hardware test mode. On this page, tap SIM card test. See if the test shows passed or failed. Then go back and select SIM card tray detect. Check if this test shows successful or not. You can eject and reinsert your SIM card to take this test again. The test might give you a different result in that case. If one or both of these tests fail, then it usually means that there is a hardware issue with your SIM card slot. In that case, you will need to take your phone to Xiaomi Support Center for help. They will be able to resolve your issue. And that's all for today. Now you know how to fix the network or SIM card error caused by call borrowing on your Xiaomi phone. Hopefully, one of these steps worked for you. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe for more easy phone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.